In terms of length, we follow the convention as our trailer reaches a maximum total of 45 seconds when compared with the teaser trailer from Insidious. It seemed that we follow the conventions of a horror teaser trailer, which is seen as the rules coincidentally. This was due to the fact that we restructured our whole trailer. Our original first trailer was very long and came to a total of over 1 minute, which wasn't our initial aim and didn't even meet the criteria of a teaser trailer. Over 1 minute is usually the length for the actual trailer. Even by following this convention, I don't think it made it boring. I think it made it interesting because on such a tight budget, it meant that a lot of the shots that we filmed could be put into the trailer within 45 seconds, just like Insidious. The lighting for the teaser trailer in Insidious is very dark, showing little light with a continuous version of all colours. This was similar but not the same to our own teaser trailer, as we washed out the colour in some of our scenes to keep the continuity. For example, I know during the running scene with the victim, there were a few problems with the lighting. Therefore, using Final Cut Pro, we washed out the colour so that it wasn't too bright. We went for a kind of blue tint to create a bit of an eerie effect. We also used some very bright white light to create a kind of isolation/limbo feeling, which is a contrast to some of the scenes in the trailer where the light isn't so bright. We did not follow the convention of Insidious when it came to tension and suspense. Insidious used a lot of fast-paced moments, not leaving enough time to create tension. Because we didn't follow this, we gave more time for suspense and tension, which hopefully gave through time for the audience to be drawn into the trailer. We decided to use a nursery rhyme throughout most of the trailer, but not everything. This meant it gave us a chance to use and play around with other sounds. We contemplated using the no that one of the victims shout, heavily breathing from the other victim, and even a scream. But in the end, we just settled for the sounds to complement the already made nursery rhyme that we included. This was because by doing this, we didn't have to use too much of the dialogue from the actual trailer, which could deteriorate the eeriness of the trailer. I would say that we didn't fully follow the convention as Insidious, just use sounds from the actual action of what is going on, whereas we blocked ours out. In the Insidious trailer, you can hear a continuous amount of snarls, thuds, and babies crying. The camera techniques that were used did not follow the convention of Insidious. We've done a lot of spontaneous filming with our shots, trying to make our trailer different and interesting at the same time. We use a lot of moving shots and panning in our trailer. However, most of the sequences in the Insidious trailer were just shots, with a lot of them being close-ups. This didn't follow the convention, which I think makes our trailer much more interesting and fast-paced as well as slow due to the nursery rhyme. While editing, we use a lot of simple cuts as well as a montage and match on action. By using these editing techniques, we keep the excitement and the intensity of our trailer, and it allows us to come across to the consumer. We also use a lot of fades, which I found effective, especially when it comes to presenting text. This is almost similar to Insidious, as a lot of fades are used as well as simple cuts as well. Therefore, we followed this convention.